another example that we try. So that a function that requires a bit more processing. So I'm going to define a function called max that takes two values, a and b. Okay, and then I'm going to return the maximum of those two numbers. So it's either a or b. So I'm going to say if a is greater than or equal to b. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say return a, and I'm going to say else return b. So remember another function, what else return would do is return would actually break the function. So it's, when the function is the first statement, it's actually an exit ticket from that function. So I'm going to run this, and then hopefully it should work without any problem. Max. I'm gonna say 4 and 5, and it should return 5. Okay, so here's your challenge. Define a function called max3 that takes 3 values, maybe possibly a, b, and c, and then return the maximum of this 3. Okay, so take your time, go ahead and try this, and when we come back, we'll discuss this. All right, I hope you had enough time to try this. I'm going to say a, b, and c. Then remember there's a couple of ways to do. I'm going to use a nested if. I'm going to say if a is greater than b. If that's the case, that eliminates b. Then I'm going to compare a and c. Then I'm going to say if a is greater than c. You can also say greater than or equal to. If I say equal to, that still eliminates b. And then a is greater than or equal to c. If that's the case, a must be the greatest, right? So return a. Else return c. Okay, so, and if not, a is greater than b, that means it must be the other way around. So else. So that's eliminates a. Now we need to compare b and c. So we can say if b is greater than or equal to c, and if that's the case, return b. Else return c. Okay, you also notice that you can have multiple returns in the your function, and same thing, same rule applies as above. If we see, anytime we see a return, we automatically exit the function. We do not need to check the rest. So go ahead and let's try this. I'm going to say max3, then I'm going to put 1, 2, and 3, and it returns 3. So let's try again. Max just to make sure. I'm going to say 3, 2, 1. It still returns 3. All right, so go ahead and try this.